What is up you guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to share with you the luxury items that I use every single day. Now this is a tag video created by the gorgeous Thanks to Fashion. So thank you so much for tagging me. I will link her video and her channel down below, so make sure you check it out. One of her most memorable videos is her Cartier True unboxing, where she shares with you a Cartier Love bracelet unboxing, and I loved her reaction. I love her French accent and she's such a sweetheart and such a darling, so thank you so much for tagging me. But before I jump into sharing with you the luxury items I use every single day, I just wanted to say a huge thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all of you guys that have subscribed and interacted with my channel and showed me so much love and support. And in celebration of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, I wanted to share with you what you can win in this parcel. I love giving back and I love doing giveaways. Let's just get started. I purchased one mid-May. Oh my gosh. All right. So in this little parcel is, so it's something from Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, no wonder. I have two boxes here. One item is the item that you can win. The other item is what my SM sent to me. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. What? So this is what you can win. And this is the item. Oh my gosh, this is, I think this is perfumes. So I've got the receipt and a little card and the shopper bag. The card is beautiful. I'll just open it up. Oh, actually, just like a little postcard. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, that is so sweet. So I'll open this first. That is so sweet. So I'll undo the ribbon. I knew it was perfumes. I was like, what is this? Huh? Oh my gosh. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 perfume samples here of Jour Le Sève, Cure Battante, Heures d'Absence, Rose de Vence, Cactus Garden, Le Jour Le Sève, Afternoon Swim and Sun Song. That is so sweet. So thank you so much for that. I have a perfume library now. I'm gonna spray them, see how it wears. I'm the type that is quite curious, so I like to smell all of the perfumes before I make a purchase. And then this is what you guys can win in this box. I won't undo the ribbon for you guys. I'll just slide it across. And can you guys guess what this item is? You've got the dust bag, and in this dust bag, da-da-da! This is the Louis Vuitton reverse card holder in the gorgeous monogram with the reverse on the front, and you've got the switched around. It's like a 2-in-1 card holder made in France. It's very pretty. I'm going to be twinning with one of you guys around the world. It smells so good. Fresh Louis Vuitton smells incredible. This is such a cute little card holder, so I'll put it back in here and I'll wrap it up and everything for you guys so you guys can win this. To enter my 5,000 subscriber giveaway where you can win this absolutely gorgeous Louis Vuitton reverse monogram card holder, all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like, comment down below your Instagram handle name and why you would like to win. Go follow me on Instagram and there will be an Instagram post where I share with you a picture of this. Make sure you tag 2 friends. I'll be checking all entries to make sure you adhere to all the terms and conditions. The giveaway winner will be announced on my Instagram and my YouTube. Now moving on to the whole point of this video, which is the luxury items I use every single day. The first item that I'm going to share with you that I've been using every single day since I got it, and that one is the Louis Vuitton desk agenda. Now if you guys have been following me for some time, you know that I have the Louis Vuitton agenda in a few different sizes. I've got the agenda MM, also known as the medium, and agenda GM, also known as a large, and I prefer the desk agenda because it is very simple. There's no hardware, there's no tarnishing, there's no rings. It's a notebook cover and I adore this piece. I'm yet to find like proper inserts for it. With me, I love to write to-do lists. I love to write down notes. I love to write down my thoughts, and this is perfect for that because I can just open up, write down everything. There's nothing in the way. I can just write freely. It's a great size and I love it so much. So ever since I got this, I absolutely love it. So I highly recommend this. So this is the Louis Vuitton desk agenda, a luxury piece I use every single day. Now the next luxury item that I use every single day is my gorgeous Mason & Pearson Boar hair bristled brush. This brush is incredible. The reason for that is because It's got natural boar hair bristles, which is really healthy for the scalp. So when you brush your hair, it massages the scalp. All of the natural oils from your scalp gets distributed evenly, and it makes it a lot more healthier, shinier, causes less breakage. The great thing about this, which I absolutely love the most, is that it sets your hairstyle in place, meaning that it makes your hairstyle feel quite firm. It feels almost like a helmet. Something about the way that the boar hair bristles are placed, it almost weaves the hair into place. And these brushes come in a various range of sizes. So mine's the extra large. This one was quite expensive, but even if I lose this brush, I will buy this brush in a heartbeat because I absolutely love it so much. And it's one of those brushes that will last you a lifetime, and then you can pass down to your kids and to a few generations, because these brushes last a really long time. This one costs about 395 Australian dollars. I always carry this one when I travel overseas or weekends away. I always have to bring this with me. I love it so much, so I highly recommend this. The next luxury item that I use every single day, I got this one a few days ago, is this gorgeous Google Nest Hub Max. So this is what it looks like. It's like an iPad with a speaker, and this is like a game changer for me. If you're someone who loves music and doesn't want to listen to it on your phone all the time, this is a great solution. So this one connects to your whole home system, your lighting system, your TV, your fridge, your computer. You can watch YouTube videos or read the news. All you have to do is just say, "Hey Google, can I listen to Mariah Carey?"
Okay, playing Mariah Carey on Spotify.
You can tell it to pause like that. How good is that? So I love it. I've been listening to music a lot more lately. Like when I'm getting ready, all I have to do is say, "Hey Google, can you play this? Can you play that? What's the weather like? What's the recipe for this? Can I watch this YouTube video?" It's incredible. So I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it. Now the next luxury item that I love and have been using every single day since I got it would have to be my fine jewelry, especially from Cartier. I've got my gorgeous Cartier Juste un Clou with the diamond tips and 4 diamond love. These are in yellow gold, so I rarely ever take them off. Now the very last item that I'm going to share with you from my luxury items I use every single day would have to be skincare. Now I just put some products in this little basket. I'm a massive skincare junkie. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, especially Instagram stories, I've been sharing with you a little bit of my skincare collection and my skincare range and what I love and stuff like that. So the first items that I absolutely love and use every single day would have to be, and this is a luxury for me, even though this brand is quite inexpensive, this is Quarterly, made in France. I love their facial sprays. I think facial sprays are a luxury because you just feel so good every single time you use it. If you guys have been following me on Instagram or Snapchat, you guys know I bought 20 cans of these. I've gifted these to friends and family. I have 9 bottles left. 1 on my desk, 1 in my bathroom, 7 brand new ones, and I use this every single day, and I absolutely love this. I have one on my desk because when it's like 3 o'clock and you're falling asleep and you need to pick me up, you need to wake me up, this one freshens and you don't need to go grab a coffee because it wakes you up. You don't feel tired. The spritz on this is continuous, which I absolutely love, so I highly recommend this one. This is quite inexpensive. I purchased this one for about $12 per can, so I bought 10 cans from Feel Unique and then 10 cans from Look Fantastic. The other things that I absolutely love would have to be essences, and I've got the Estee Lauder Micro Essence and the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I've been using this one on and off for multiple years, and I've been using this one probably for about 1.5 to 2 years. It makes my skin look a lot more plumper, brighter, keeps all the fine lines and wrinkles away. Also, another item that I absolutely love is the Sisley Black Rose Face Mask. I use this one before bedtime, and in the morning my skin looks plump and youthful and glowy, which I absolutely love. That is it for today's video of the luxury items that I use every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to Thanks to Fashion for tagging me to do this video. I also want to thank you guys for all of your love and support throughout the years, for all your comments, your likes, interacting with me. Make sure you check out the description box for all the terms and conditions of how to enter. Thank you all so much for watching. Please care until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye!